Hello everybody, this is day 2 of rebuilding my Jaguar S-Type. Today I'm actually gonna work on the car, so stay with me. And to receive updates on this project, consider subscribing to my channel. The essential component to rebuild will of course be the engine. It's an HAV8 built in here. That's a Jaguar specific engine. There are hardly any aftermarket parts available, so if there's any severe damage to this engine, especially to the block, I will have to overthink the whole project. Consequently, in the first step, I will pull out the engine transmission assembly of the car and do a full checkup. Before touching anything on this car, as a safety measure, I will disconnect and remove the battery. In the case of the S-Type, it's located inside the trunk, right beside the spare tire. To prevent damage to the electrical system, it's crucial to disconnect the negative post first. In this case, the posts are marked. If they are not, you would recognize the negative cable because it directly connects the battery to the car's body. Detaching both the bracket and the cables requires only one 8mm socket. This really serves finally thanks to Jaguar. To disassemble the front end, I will have to work inside the wheel wells and also get underneath the car. So the front has to be put onto jack stands, and I will also have to remove the wheels. For checking this car up, I will not use these check-up points here on the sides. They are only dedicated to the jack that comes with the car in case you're stranded somewhere with a flat tire. The real check-up points are two massive iron rails, more towards the middle of the car, right besides the exhaust pipes. If your car also came with these decorative lug nut caps, don't try to remove them. You will not be able to do this. You will hurt yourself. Just apply the breaker bar onto the lug nut caps. They will turn with the lug nuts and you won't have any problem to get off the wheel. This is the little bit disappointing result of today's work. I also planned to drain the coolant and start disassembling, but unexpected problems occurred. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and see you back on my channel next time. Goodbye.